Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add custom shape like circles, rectangles, hearts, and more to your videos using CapCut Mobile. So I'm going to show you two best ways to add shapes. The first one, let's just open the video first. So I'm going to use these videos right here, for example. Okay, now I want to add a simple shape overlay, so you can just add into stickers. Then here you can just choose the shape that you want to add. For example, I'm going to add a heart shape. This one, you can just search for heart shape in here, and then choose the one that you want to add to your clip. For example, I'm going to add this one right here. You can adjust the size and also reposition it like this. So you can also add another one. Let's find, for example, rectangle. Now you can see there are lots of options too. You can just choose which rectangle shapes that you want to add. For example, like this. And then if you want to add dynamic shapes on your clips, you can just use the masking tool. You can click on your video, swipe until you find mask. Okay, this one for example, and then just choose the shape that you want. So there are four options for shape: circle, rectangle, heart, and stars. For example, I'm going to go with rectangle. Here you can adjust the size like this, and you can also add some round edges by dragging this options in here in the top left corner, just like this. And this one is for the heart. You can just choose which part of the video that you want to shape. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can add shape to your clips in CapCut Mobile. So I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. And if this helped, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, and also click on a thanks. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who loves to edit videos on your phone. So I'll see you all in next tutorials. Bye.